Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. The request from one of my follower, I would like to share weekly analysis for silver USD commodity pairs. We'll do the analysis from weekly time frame and slowly go down to the lower time frames. We'll look at the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for the coming week. So from 2020 we have noticed a price action to start trending on the bullish trend from the support level of 11.72. It went on a very strong bullish trend, and after testing this resistance level of 29.83, we have noticed a price action to be trending on a sideways, rather it was trending on a bearish side. And recently after testing the support level of 1756, we have noticed a price action to again bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Let us find out whether the bullish side trend reversal has started or not in weekly time frame. So here I have drawn the trend line or the support line, and we can notice that price action tested the lower level of the support line of the bullish channel pattern, and we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side. Again we have noticed the price action to bounce back and to retest on this lower support line of the bullish channel pattern. But this time we have noticed a price action to test the upper support line of the bullish channel pattern, which confirms that currently we are in a bullish trend from this trend line. Let us draw a resistance line from the upper side. So from here we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish side, and sometime we have noticed a price action to reach out to this level of 30.07. So I have taken this level also and drawn a bearish channel pattern. So when we just zoom into the current price action, so here we have noticed a price action to test this resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And in the past also we have noticed a wicks of the price action to, and here we are again noticing the price action to retest on this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, and the green color bullish candle has closed near to this resistance line. In the past price action we have noticed a price action to form a indecision candle and then to make a bearish side trend reversal, but here we are not noticing any sort of trend reversal candle to be formed over here. So we have to wait for the trend reversal candle in order to get the confirmation on the bearish side trend reversal. For now just looking at the candle formation, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in weekly time frame. And of course the next level of resistance, it's going to be the higher level of the resistance line from the bearish channel pattern. Once the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the bullish side trend to start in weekly time frame. I have drawn one more parallel bullish channel pattern where we are noticing the price action to take support at this resistance line and the support line, and it is still in a bullish trend according to this bullish channel pattern, and we can expect it to retest on this resistance line where it has bounced back on the bearish side retracement in the past. So this level, which is around 25.97, is going to be a very important level for the current price action in weekly time frame. If the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the bullish trend reversal to start, and if it bounces back, we can expect it to again retest on the support line of the bullish channel pattern. And for now, as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. But still, when you look at the overall trend of the price action in weekly time frame, it is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern. Soon we can expect the directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side from this consolidation. And when we look at the support and resistance levels using the Fibonacci tool, this level of 25.73 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone based on the past price action. And if the price action fails to break this resistance level of 25.73, we can expect the price action to bounce back from this resistance level, and next level of support is going to be around 23.02 and 20.85. So for now the current trend of the price action in weekly time frame is in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern from the weekly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame, and when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame also, we are noticing the price action to be in a very strong bullish trend. Currently it is taking resistance on the lower resistance line of the bearish channel pattern from the past price action, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame also. So based on the past price action, I have drawn a bullish channel pattern, and for now we are noticing the price action to test this bullish channel pattern resistance line. So we can expect a little bit of retracement to start to retest on this bullish channel pattern support line. But as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Wait for the price action to give a breakout from this bullish channel pattern on the bearish side in order to enter into the bearish side trade. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 24.76 and resistance level of 26.00. And if the price action bounces back from this support level of 26.76 on the bearish side retracement, the immediate support is going to be the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line. Once the support line is breached, next level of support is going to be around 23.71, 22.97, 22.26 and 21.36. And on the other hand, if the price action takes support on the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line and bounces back on the bullish side retracement, the immediate resistance is going to be around 26.00, 26.95 and 27.72. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and when we look at the past price action in hourly time frame, we have noticed it to trend on a very strong bullish trend, and after testing the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame, we have noticed a price action to trend on the bearish side or on a sideways momentum. And based on the past price action, we know that price action usually retraces back to this support line, then bounces back on the bullish trend. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to retrace back and to take support on the trend line or support line from the 4 hours time frame. And based on the price action at this level, you can decide on newly entering on the bullish side trade or on the bearish side trade. This level of 24.92 is a very strong resistance from the weekly time frame, which is preventing the price action from continuing further on the bullish trend. So we can expect little bit of retracement on the bearish side in order to gather enough liquidity for continuing its current bullish trend. So the values in green color boxes are going to be the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 24.93 and support level of 24.63. If the price action continues its bullish trend, next level of resistance is going to be around 25.29 and 25.73. And if the price action bounces back on the retracement, the immediate support is going to be around 24.63. If the price action breaks the support level of 24.63, next level of support is going to be around 24.42, 24.26, 24.10, 23.91 and 23.60. And for now, the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is also in a bullish trend, as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern from the 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and we can clearly notice currently the price action is trading on a bearish channel pattern, and it has tested the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, and it is also forming a double top pattern. Wait for the price action to break this neck level of this double top pattern, which is going to be around 24.87, in order to freshly enter on the bearish side trade, because we already know that it is trading on a bearish channel pattern. We can expect it to retrace and to retest on the trend line or support line from the bearish channel pattern. And once the price action breaks this neck level of the double top pattern, next level of support is going to be around 24.75, 24.73, 24.66, 24.56, 24.45, 24.29 and 24.10. And as long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, we can expect the chances for the bullish trend reversal to start. And if the price action breaks this bullish channel pattern, we can expect a bearish side trend reversal to start in 30 minutes time frame also. And up to this level, it is only a retracement on the bearish side for the bullish trend it has made earlier. And if the price action breaks this previous resistance level of 25.00, we can expect a bullish trend reversal to start. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.